Hey guys, it's me FighterX here. In this video I will show you a new feature. This feature doesn't have a name yet. What it does is, it lets you have banners on your server invite links. A small example is shown here. I will show you some of those banners in a bit. Here's the interesting part, it requires 2 boosts but, it's an existing boost feature. We will talk about it later in the video. Here is some more examples of this features, in case if you are thinking it's fake, I will show you some banners in real time. As you can see, it's not fake. Now we will see how it works, and also answer the question, how does this new feature already exist before? Welcome to part 2. So how this works is, if you go to the channel's invite on Chrome, you will notice this background image. This same image is later minimized and sent to also appear in Discord server invites. Just see how similar both of these are on Discord and the website. This is why I said, this feature already existed even before it was made, and the banner is only available to people who have access to this feature. This is an unreleased testing feature. Here's another cool feature, this lets you moderate your Discord server without any bots. Click this video to know more. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.